This is the Inflatable Reindeer Antler Ring Toss game. It's a set of two headpieces, two antlers, and it has 8 rings, okay? This is what it comes like in this package. This is the one I haven't blown up yet, and it has the pump as well. The 2 antler hats plus the 8 rings means real group play. No waiting around while one person hogs all the fun. But with the hand pump included, it actually works and it gets you playing real quickly. And this is ridiculously funny for people of all ages, kids, teens, adults. This is one of the games you could play from like age 10 to like age 70. But here's the deal. This isn't an heirloom game. This is a seasonal crowd pleaser that delivers laughs per minute, which is exactly the assignment with this one. But the PVC is so light, so treat it like a party decor. It is not sports equipment, so to speak, but this is perfect for Christmas parties, classroom breaks, family game nights, or office chaos. Pull it out, start laughing, and don't overthink it. This is so much fun. I highly recommend it.